Welcome back, you guys, to another game of Epic Minigames. This whole video. Hope you enjoy. Motherfucker, I'm not talking for anything else. Okay, get through your brain. And it's just me this time, so like. Oh, I'm gonna eat a french fry real fast. Be like so yummy. But that was what I was meaning to do. Yay, I'm at the beginning. I'm gonna go underground, y'all. I get to go underground because I'm the coolest of everyone. I'm the best. I'm better than everyone. My little secret hideout, y'all. It's a fun little hideout. I blow stuff up. But then I keep forgetting how to get out of this lonely place. It's sad. Let's see if I can find how to get out. Too bad that door's not open. Out the maniac menu. Oh my god. Found it. That's how I mine, y'all. I lose. Did you have cancer? Yeah, you have cancer. Man, no one wants to play volleyball. Volleyball's for girls only. Oh my gosh. I want to go on this slide. This is mine! No, no, no. I need to get up. Yeah. What? Just wear pants. Just put mine on. Freaking. Oh my gosh. It's hard. Yay, run. Deforestation Dash. I don't know how to play this, but it doesn't sound fun. Hehe. Yes, two. Oh, thank you. How? What? What? She's done. Come on, get through this. You got this, Debray. You got it. Oh my gosh, this is taking. Yes.
You're welcome.
Teamwork makes it always work. Yeah. Let's go. One more. Yay, you got the other team sucks. We won. I want to choose the next one. Toxic reactions. Whoa, sounds fun. I want to die. How do you play that? What?
If you're look. So, say I was recording, right?
Mm-hmm.
Done recording. I like that.
DJ. Well, I'm gonna go down into my mining pit. See what I can find this time. Ooh, a room. I never had no one wants to go there. Down here is where I want to go. And then back up. All the way up. Because we're all the way up, I have to go all the way up backwards. So all the way up I am. I'm like all the way up, y'all. Yo, I'm so all the way up. I made it all the way up. Whoa! I'm all the way up. I'm such a big fan of Roblox. Sweet. I'm glittery. Listen. Glittery. Compactor class. Let's see if I can make it on the slide before.
Debray.
Fat cow.
Go to your chat.
No, I'm doing this right now. I sent you mine too.
I know, I can't open it though. You can. Do you want the Robux or not?
Okay. Huh?
Oh.
Okay, I'm safe. I'm safe again. A lot of people just died. Yeah, that was funny. I'm safe again. I can't get out. I can't get out.
I want the Robux.
Send it.
I just sent it.
I'm safe again. Yay. Yo! Yeah, fuck you, bitch. Fuck you! Fuck you, nigga! Fuck you,
Alright, come on.
niggers!
Click creation.
Ready for this,
So
guys?
once you guys are here,
Oh, this is stupid.
this is it. This is called Greg's Generator.
This is retarded.
You guys want to go ahead and get to the game, click play. Okay. Once you guys are in the game, Stare at your beautiful character. You guys want to look at your character
DJ,
at this
you actually
angle?
get Robux off of
It
this.
doesn't have to be exactly like that. That'd be literally impossible. You guys want to press space? Turn. And then walk into the shelter. It's a nice shelter. It's just
2000.
a nice, blue, amazing shelter that I created in Roblox Studio. It's one of my prized possessions. And inside this shelter, you will see. Put the game in full screen mode. You will see this amazing tool here. What does this tool do? This tool contains all the glitch powers. All. And just put in the amount of Robux you want. Don't put it too high or Builderman will get mad at us. You don't want Dad to get mad at us. You don't want to get spanked by Daddy. Okay, so I'm gonna do 137 because I'm cool. Okay, 137.
Okay.
Yeah, since Roblox doesn't like numbers, they always censor it. So
GREH. G.
G.
43748.
437.
Wait, were you watching that? Or were you doing that? Here, stay on there.
No, this is like a Roblox thing. 43738. 43738. 43738. 43738. 4378.
43738.
43738. Redeem.
43738. If that was one, I would have been dead.
Kidding. I don't know how to do it. Shut up, Prince. No one cares about you right now. We're doing this. Well, look at these stupid games. Let's see if I can. Let's trade, DJ.
What?
Trade.
I'm trying to see. I'm gonna see if this works.
Builder Club. I need to find my Builder Club. Builder Club, y'all. You get Robux off of this shit, off this stuff. Well, are you serious? You said Builder Club, not freaking people. Got 13 messages. What are they? I do not care about any of these. Oh. Delete. Marcus Red. I think we have to make it to the end to get the.
No, I'm checking. I said 420.
someone got exposed. Anyway, that's it for the game segment. Let's go ahead and leave the game. Leave it.
Okay, leave game.
Back to the page.
What's that?
Game page right here.
Robux free.
And then you guys want to go ahead and just add me. Oh yeah, and also just
What's his
subscribe,
name?
subscribe, like, and share this video. Name, have it real quick. I add everyone, or at least I try to. Oh yeah, join.
So what do we do
Wait
in that?
30 seconds. Wait 30 seconds. As you can see, I already generated myself.
Reg H. What's his name? What's his name?
It's fake.